What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you want up to 15 free stocks plus $30 in cash reward, get down in the description box and click on that first link, which is the mumu link. Mumu is going to give you all of those freebies when you open up a new mumu brokerage account. You put $100 in there, they're going to give you 5 free stocks plus the $30 in cash. If you put $1,000 in your new mumu brokerage account, they're going to give you 15 free stocks plus the $30 in free cash. Don't miss this opportunity. Act today, guys. It's a limited time offer. So get down in the description box, click on that mumu link, go get that free stock, go get that free money. I can also send you a couple of mumu tutorial videos that walk you through how to use the mumu app if you want me to. All you got to do is send me an email through my website, www.richardfain.net. Let me know you opened the mumu brokerage account, you funded it, and I'll send you those 2 tutorial videos so that you can start building wealth immediately. Well, we got Microsoft and Meta earnings report to take a look at, guys. So I'm just going to get straight into the meat and potatoes. Here's the headline for Microsoft. Microsoft beats on top and bottom lines, driven by better than expected cloud growth. Now, Microsoft is a hyperscaler as well. They have a cloud services business, and they did pretty good. Here are the key points. Microsoft revenue grew by 16% in its fiscal first quarter, faster than analysts had anticipated. So that's good. That's good. Revenue for Azure and other cloud services was up 33%, surpassing estimates. That's good. Microsoft has revised its segment reporting practices, resulting in a considerably bigger productivity and business practices unit. So earnings per share came in at $3.30 versus $3.10. That's a good thing. That's bottom line, right? That's profitability. And then we look at top line revenue, it came in at $65.59 billion versus $64.51 billion expected. Here's the headline for Meta. Meta misses on user growth, warns of 2025 jump in AI spending. Here are the key points. Meta reported weaker than expected user numbers and warned of a significant acceleration in its infrastructure expenses in 2025. In its third quarter earnings report on Wednesday, the company reported 3.29 billion daily active people for the third quarter. That was up 5% year over year, but it came in below analyst expectations of 3.31 billion. The company said it expects capital expenditures to continue to grow significantly in 2025. They didn't like that. And a lot of that's going to be AI infrastructure, right? And you know the market don't like that. So here are the hard numbers. Earnings per share, $6.03 versus $5.25 expected by the experts. Revenue came in at $40.59 billion versus $40.29 billion, which was expected by the experts. So they beat on top line, which is revenue, and they beat on bottom line. They just didn't grow their user base as much as the market wanted them to. I mean, goodness gracious, they're over 3 billion users, but that ain't good enough. I mean, matter of fact, they were at 3.29 billion. But the market wanted 3.31 billion. And of course, stock price sold off after hours because of that miss. Plus, they did not like the fact that Meta is going to be spending a considerable amount of money on capital expenditures. Here it is. Meta also raised capital expenditures guidance for the 2024 fiscal year between 38 billion and 40 billion, up from 37 billion to 40 billion previously. Additionally, the company said it expects capital expenditures to continue to grow significantly in 2025 due to an acceleration in infrastructure expenses. Our AI investments continue to require serious infrastructure, and I expect to continue investing significantly there too, Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg said Wednesday on a call with analysts. $591.80. That's the stock price that it closed at today. Now, after hours, it's at $572.84, almost $19 a share lower after the earnings report. Let's take a look at Microsoft. Microsoft closed at $432.53, and after hours, they're at $430. Got two, mega caps that had pretty good reports. I mean, they beat on top line, they beat on bottom line, but you know how it is. They go search and find things that they don't like, and that's what they ding you on. It doesn't matter that you got more revenue and you're more profitable, which I would imagine that's the most important thing, but not to Wall Street aliens, man. So for me personally, I'm gonna continue buying the Magnificent Seven, including Microsoft and Meta through dollar cost average. I'm not going out buying a whole bunch of this individually out of my reserve cash. I did take a rather large position today in Super Micro Computer, SMCI, about 10,000 shares I bought today at a really good price around that. I think I averaged out about $33 a share. I believe this company is still a great company. I didn't see any business performance issues, and I know they got the whole thing out there with the, their lead auditor or whatever you call them, some CFO auditor, whatever it is. That person resigned, and there are some rumors about whatever. I still think it's a good company. I looked at the numbers on it, and for me, I was comfortable with making my purchase today. I don't know if it'll be, it may be short term. I'm not gonna say it's gonna be a long termer like Nvidia, but we'll see. Let me see how it goes. I just know 2 or 3 days ago it was trading at $47 a share, and today I picked it up for $33 a share. So I think I can make some money either as a short or it may turn into a long. Like I said, I got 10,000 shares, so I'm happy with my position. Listen, man, if you want to continue to build your wealth using these big boy blue chip paper assets, you got to get down in the description box and click on that mumu link. Open up that mumu account. Get yourself up to 15 free stocks plus $30 in free cash. All you got to do, man, is execute. Don't wait around, guys. These next 5 months are going to be huge. Don't wait around. Now, I'm not your financial advisor, and I can't tell you what to do, but I'm just giving you my opinion. So my opinion is these next 5 months are going to be incredible. So get yourself down in the description box and click on that mumu link and get yourself in position. Click on that link, open it up, get your free stock, get your free money. Stop by my website, guys, if you don't mind, before you get out of here, www.richardfain.net, right? Second link down in the description box. Over 400,000 of you guys have already checked out the website. A ton of you guys have made an investment in yourself and purchased the digital products. We got some fantastic digital products, guys. Please take a look at them. Please add those to your knowledge base so that you can become a better executor, right? And then consider joining the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. We're called the Wealth Builders. We got 1,000 of us. See the t-shirt? Yeah, Wealth Builders. Fastest growing financial community on Patreon. All we do over there, guys, is help one another build wealth. You should have seen the community chat today when we were talking about Super Micro Computer. I mean, and again, none of us are experts. We're just sharing, right? We're just sharing what we're doing and letting everybody else know what we're doing and answering questions and giving feedback. And nobody's in there trying to be an expert. It's just that type of community that we look out for one another. Right? Had I not got into the community chat this morning, I would have missed out on my Super Micro Computer shares because I wouldn't have known about it. I just would have been doing my own thing. But since I looked in my community chat and saw what people were talking about, I did a little research and I went ahead and pulled the trigger. So please, man, consider joining the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. Like I say, we're called the Wealth Builders. We love to have you. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. Stay healthy, get wealthy. I'm going to catch you on the next video. Peace.